Hey everyone! Get ready for an exciting video where I reveal the ultimate money-making method with affiliate marketing. Even if you're not tech-savvy, this super easy method is perfect for anyone. All you need is a device with an internet connection. Let's dive right in and start making big bucks. Curious about the amazing AI tool we'll be using today? Brace yourselves for Pictory. Pictory is a cutting-edge AI that revolutionizes video creation for your favorite social media platforms. What sets Pictory apart is its incredible user-friendliness. Whether you're a newbie or lack video production skills, this tool has got you covered. Choose from a variety of templates, customize your videos with images, graphics, voiceovers, subtitles, and text overlays to make them truly unique. The best part: you don't need fancy equipment or technical skills. Just your computer or smartphone, an internet connection, and your script. Pictory's powerful AI algorithms will handle the rest, generating fully formed videos that meet your needs. Whether you're a business owner craving promotional content or a social media influencer seeking increased engagement, Pictory has you covered. Now, let's dive into exactly how this tool can help you earn money. Step 1. Kickstart your Pictory journey. Ready to dive into the world of Pictory? It all starts with signing up. Head over to Pictory.ai, their awesome website, and create your account. And guess what? I've got a special referral code just for you, MATTAO26. Enter it during sign-up to make things even smoother. Once you're on the homepage, spot the enticing Get Started for Free button and give it a satisfying click. You'll be directed to a page where you can enter your name, email, and create a password. Oh, and if you prefer, you can even sign up using your Google account. Simply fill in your details and hit the Continue button to wrap up the sign-up process. Now Pictory wants to know your main video goal. They want to personalize your experience, so choose Personal Use if it's for your personal projects. If you're using it for your business or organization, select the option that best suits you. Next, Pictory will ask about your organization. If you're a solo user, select Solo to let Pictory know it's all you. They'll tailor their recommendations accordingly. Lastly, Pictory wants to know your professional description. If you're a content creator working on personal projects, select Content Creator. Pictory has all the tools and resources to support your success. With that, you're all set to unlock the power of Pictory and make your video dreams a reality. Step 2. Unleash your creativity with the script-to-video tool. Now that you've successfully created your Pictory account and logged in, it's time to dive into the heart of the action, the script-to-video tool. Prepare to be amazed. On the script-to-video page, you'll encounter a captivating blank box, eagerly waiting for your imaginative ideas. This is your chance to let your creativity soar as you start crafting your video script. Feel the freedom to showcase your unique voice and style. But wait, how can you write a script that truly stands out and captivates your audience? Don't worry, I've got you covered in the next step. Discover invaluable tips and tricks that will help you create a script that grabs your viewers' attention from the get-go and keeps them hooked throughout the entire video. Step 3. Unleash the power of Writesonic for your script creation. Now get ready to experience the magic of Writesonic, the ultimate content creation tool that I've conveniently linked in the description for you. Writesonic, fueled by AI, is your secret weapon for effortlessly generating top-notch articles. When you visit their website, you'll be greeted with a treasure trove of tools designed to elevate your content creation game. For this step, let's focus on the AI Article Writer tool. It's a breeze to use. Simply input your script ideas, and like magic, Writesonic will craft a complete article based on your text. Imagine you're creating a video about how to make a chocolate cupcake at home. Just follow the user-friendly instructions on the website. Writesonic will provide you with keywords, ideas, an introduction, an outline, and a polished article. It's as easy as sitting back and letting Writesonic do the heavy lifting. Step 4. Transform your script into an eye-catching video. Now that your script is polished and ready, it's time to work wonders with Pictory's AI-powered video creation tool. Prepare to be amazed as this tool allows you to effortlessly produce professional-looking videos without the need for complex editing software or technical expertise. To get started, simply paste your script into the designated box in the Script to Video tool, then hit Proceed to move forward. Pictory will present you with a wide range of video templates to choose from. Take your time exploring them and find the one that perfectly matches your content and style. Next, select a video ratio. For short-form content, the recommended ratio is 9:16, so keep that in mind as you make your template choice. Once you've made your template and ratio selections, click Continue and watch the magic unfold. In just a few minutes, Pictory will generate a complete video based on your script and chosen template. You'll have the option to preview the video and make any necessary tweaks. Don't worry if the final product isn't perfect right away. Pictory offers a plethora of editing options. You can enhance your video with additional text, images, voiceovers, subtitles, and more to make it truly unique. Step 5. Share YouTube Shorts and monetize like a pro. You've created an incredible video using Pictory and Writesonic. Now it's time to unleash it to the world and earn some serious cash along the way. One fantastic option is leveraging YouTube Shorts. This feature is tailor-made for creators to share bite-sized videos that are 60 seconds or less. It's a rapid and impactful way to reach a massive audience, especially since it's still relatively new with less competition, giving your content a better chance to shine. To build a loyal following on YouTube Shorts, consistency is key. Regularly post engaging content that your viewers will devour. As your channel gains traction, it's time to monetize. Promote affiliate products related to cooking. It's a win-win, earn extra money while growing your YouTube Shorts channel. For excellent cooking-related affiliate products, check out ClickBank, an online marketplace connecting affiliates with product owners. Discover a vast selection of products to promote to your audience. To find relevant cooking products, head to ClickBank's website and use the search bar to explore cooking. You'll unveil a list of products to review and choose from. Incorporate these products into your YouTube Shorts videos created with Pictory and Writesonic. Remember, honesty is vital. Disclose to your viewers that you may earn a commission if they purchase the product through your unique affiliate link. Transparency builds trust and keeps your audience engaged. Include a disclaimer in your video description. As an affiliate, you earn a commission for every sale made through your link. The more people who buy using your link, the higher your commission. So don't forget to include your affiliate link in the description of your uploaded shorts, and you can even pin it as a comment. Remember, your goal is to create attention-grabbing content that entices viewers to click your link and make a purchase. By following the steps I've shared today and staying consistent, you'll be making money in no time. That wraps it up for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. To stay updated on the latest money-making tricks, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you next time.